Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating machines in the woodworking industry, the wood lathe machine. This incredible machine combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology to transform ordinary pieces of wood into beautiful furniture parts, decorative items, and precision-crafted products. A wood lathe machine is designed to rotate a piece of wood at high speed, while a cutting tool shapes the material into the desired form. This manufacturing process is known as wood turning. For hundreds of years, wood turning has been used to create artistic and functional wooden products. Today, modern wood lathe machines have made the process faster, safer, and far more precise. The process begins by selecting a suitable piece of hardwood or softwood. The workpiece is carefully inspected to ensure it is free from cracks or defects. It is then securely mounted between the headstock and tailstock of the lathe machine. The headstock contains the motor that spins the wood, while the tailstock supports the opposite end, keeping the workpiece stable throughout the operation. Once everything is properly aligned, the machine is switched on. The wood begins rotating at a controlled speed. Depending on the type of project, the operator adjusts the speed to achieve the best cutting performance. Different woods require different speeds to produce clean and smooth results. The operator uses specialized cutting tools such as roughing gouges, spindle gouges, skew chisels, parting tools, and bowl gouges. Each tool is designed for a specific purpose. Roughing tools quickly remove excess material, while finishing tools create smooth curves, sharp details, and decorative patterns. As the cutting tool gently contacts the spinning wood, thin layers of material are removed. Gradually, the rough timber begins to take shape. This process requires patience, precision, and experience. Every movement of the tool influences the final appearance of the product. Wood lathe machines are capable of producing a wide variety of items. Furniture manufacturers use them to create table legs, chair legs, bedposts, stair balusters, cabinet feet, and decorative columns. Craftsmen produce wooden bowls, plates, cups, candle holders, rolling pins, tool handles, baseball bats, pepper mills, pens, and beautiful decorative sculptures.